This guy has some nerve to be back here.
Huh. That was weird. Nice. A fresh bag of Doritos. Nom 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 nom.
He doesn't know. Those Doritos are expired!
Enrique!
He's going to have a little bit of a surprise when he goes back to his desk. Wait a minute. Can't I just... This is gonna take a while.
Hey, you.
Who was that?
Me.
Who?
Guess you can't see me, huh?
Honestly, no.
I'm a quarter.
Like the coin?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, how did you even get up there?
Funny story. It all started a couple weeks ago.
Hey, dude.
Yeah?
Have you heard?
Heard of...
They are getting rid of that one vending machine by the hall.
What? That's the only vending machine with Doritos.
I tried telling them, but they don't listen.
We should tell the faculty about this.
Agreed.
Wait. So they are getting rid of me?
Yerp.
I can't let that happen. I gotta skedaddle.
Agreed. But you move kinda slow. No offense.
Bruh. Then what's your idea, smart guy?
I say that we make your grand escape during the nighttime. That gives you way more than enough time to escape. Now, for the hard parts. The waiting game. Stay strong, soldier. Together, we do this. I'm sorry. Alright. It's nighttime. Let's get this show on the road.
Understood.
Here's the plan.
All ears.
Tilt and shimmy with it. It'll be the easiest way out of this place.
Seems simple enough.
Lean into it, you overgrown calorie box.
I'm trying. That was close.
This is gonna take too long. Alright, kid. New plan. Slam against the floor and keep flipping.
I don't think I can do that.
Just try!
Okay. What now, Mr. Smart Guy? Quarter?
I'm struggling. Give me a second. Alright, let's do it again. Great progress, kid.
Is that a vending machine? Wait a minute. Is that a rust mark on the floor? You've got some nerve. Not only do you waste my time, but you make it worse by trying to leave. I'll show you.
Quarter? What's the plan now?
I'm not sure.
He's almost done with his incantation. Think, Quarter, think! Forget it!
Domain expansion.
Wait. Let's not get... He's out cold. Let's scram vending machine.
Okay.
The exit's up ahead.
Nice.
Wait,
Yes?
you can pull a door, right?
No?
Bruh,